Hello everybody, T-Patrick Sargent here. Today we're going to learn how to open a sliding glass door. First step, walk up. Simple, right? Here's the next step. You have to reach down, grab the handle, gently pull back, and boom, that's it. Now, to close it, you can use the same hand, reach around with another hand. Doesn't matter. Grab the handle again firmly, pull, go till the door stops. Fine. That's easy. All right. Now, we're going to learn how to get outside. Once again, walk up, grab the handle, firmly pull till it stops. Walk outside, turn around, grab the handle again, except for not the inside handle. Yeah, it won't work. You're gonna close your hand in it. Grab the outside handle and give it a pull until it stops. Bam. All done. All right, now, you wanna walk back in, walk up to the door, grab it tight, slide it till it stops. Gently walk in, don't trip, turn around, grab the inside handle because you are now inside. Grab the inside handle, doesn't matter which hand, this hand, left, right, doesn't matter. Just grab it. Slowly pull it till it stops. Boom. You just opened up your first door. Now, here's a bonus. I'm gonna show you how to lock this door. Kind of hard, but we'll learn. Walk up to the door. There's a little button. Sometimes here, sometimes there, backside. Most sliding glass doors will have the button right here. It's not really a button, it's a slide. Now, take your hand, either finger, thumb, doesn't matter again. Gently push down till it stops. Guess what? You're locked. How do you know? You don't. So you do the test. Grab the handle, pull. It doesn't open. Guess what? It's locked. Now, to unlock it, say if you're gone for the night, come back, you walk up, you look at the handle, it's down. It's locked. Finger, thumb, doesn't matter. Again, lift up, boom, unlocked. Now you can grab your handle and pull. And let your dog in. Again, to close it, grab it firmly. Boom. You just learned how to open a sliding glass door. Piece of cake, right? Well, next video, I'm going to show you how to open a front door, side door, man door. A little more complicated, more buttons. It's all right. That's the next step, next video. All right, if you like my video, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs down, thumbs up, doesn't matter. I'm still gonna make videos. So thank you very much for your time.